In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to disable Share My Location on iPhone. Turning off location sharing on your iPhone is crucial for protecting your privacy, as it prevents apps and individuals from tracking your movements without your consent. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, select on Screen Time. You will then scroll onto the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Inside the section of Privacy, select on Share My Location. Make sure to mark on Don't Allow. This reduces the risk of personal data being accessed or misused, especially in cases where location data could be shared with third parties. That's how easy it is to disable sharing your location on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.